Hey guys, and welcome back. Today I'm going to do this colorful nail stamp design using Sharpie markers. So I'm going to use my white nail polish by Sinful Colors called Snowy White, and I'm going to use Sharpies to do this design. I got a whole bunch of them on sale because it's back to school and I just went crazy buying them. So I'm going to use my Bundle Munster Lucy Stash nail plate, and I'm going to apply the colors on. You can add the colors wherever you want to. I kind of wanted to do kind of an ombre design just to blend the colors together. I just didn't blend the pink and blue. I didn't realize that until now. But I applied the yellow, and I realized the yellow kind of muddied it up. I wanted the yellow to be really bright, but it didn't. But I still like the finished look. Now, once I was done, I just applied white polish and I scraped it off once and I picked it up, and it picked up really well. You don't have to keep on going back and forth with the nail scraper. It's really simple and easy. And with the Sharpie, make sure that they're bright. Some of the Sharpies that I got were not as bright as these colors, so play around with the different Sharpies. And once I was done, I applied a quick dry top coat. I hope I showed you something new and fun. I hope you liked it. I hope you recreate it if you want to. And here's the finished look. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to get updates on when I upload new videos. And check out my Instagram at Funwithmynails to see more of my nail art. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.